Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're looking at two inequalities where we have y is less than negative x plus a and y is greater than x plus b. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into a single inequality where we have y in the middle and we know that y is greater than x plus b and y is less than negative x plus a. Okay? Don't forget that. So therefore, if x plus b is less than y is less than negative x plus a, x plus b is less than negative x plus a. Okay. If 0, 0 is a solution to the system of inequalities above, that means 0, 0, when plugging in 0 for x and 0 for y, this inequality is true. Plugging in 0 for x, 0 for y, this inequality is true. Therefore, these two inequalities are true. And we can plug in 0 for x into here, and we can get a conclusion involving b and a. So we just have 0 for x. We don't have any y's left. So we have 0 plus b is less than negative 0, which is 0, plus a. 0 plus b is less than 0 plus a is a. So therefore, we get b is less than a, which correlates with answer a. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.